I am Brian Minge with Waltech. I am the branch manager for our Iowa division. Today we are here in Burlington, Iowa, building a 5-story Hampton Inn hotel at the Catfish Bend Casino. We've used a metal stud wall and floor system with a USG structural panel as our subfloor.
USG structural panels are the only non-combustible structural panels made in the U.S.
The greatest challenge we've had on this project is the schedule. We have about 2 months from start to finish to get 4 stories of the building erected and closed in for the other trades to start. The USG structural panel has benefits over a poured concrete system, for us especially.
When using poured concrete, you encounter challenges like time of construction, sequencing the different trades to come into the job site. With USG structural panels, we're able to keep the framing contractor on site and moving on to the next stage without any interruption.
We've actually increased our production by 10% based on our ability to keep our men working efficiently. One of the best parts of this product is from the minute it arrives, it's ready to lay, fasten, and finish.
The productivity is continuous with fully engaged tongue and groove and mechanically fastened to the joist without a need for glues, which compromise the fire resistance.
They connect together real well, they fit together tight, and it's just simply a screw application to fasten it. At Waltech, we set ourselves to a higher standard. We choose a product like USG structural panel to help us meet those standards.
It's dimensionally stable, doesn't expand and contract, doesn't swell with moisture. When it rains, doesn't absorb the moisture, and it doesn't lose any strength. This morning it was really foggy, moist. The panels have been sitting all night, but that's not to worry. The panels did not lose any performance.
Weather delays, cold or hot or rain, we can still keep moving with this product.
With USG structural panels, we offer a total design solution that meet the most stringent building codes. And that means having an acoustical rated assembly that is also fire resistance rated and structurally rated.
We don't worry when we're using USG. We know their products have been tested over and over again. We know that we can just install the product and we can move on and keep the projects moving. I think it's a product that we'll be seeing more of and be using a lot more of in the future.